Hi, I'm Allan Rolnick. I'm also known as the Tax Resolution Ninja. I run a tax emergency and trauma room, and I protect the rights of people and businesses who has a problem with the IRS. Normally, I talk about letters the IRS sends out and how they can be resolved. In this case, this is a problem caused. It's a different kind of a problem. It's a lack of planning problem. I spoke to a client, and actually spoke to the client today, who withdrew money from her IRA to purchase a house. She knew she would have to pay taxes on the withdrawal, but when it came time to pay the bill at the end of the year, she couldn't afford to do it. So she, I guess, sat on it for about a year and a half until the IRS came in and put a lien on her newly purchased house. The fact that she waited so long, and she claimed that she didn't realize that the tax bill would be that high, so I don't. She should have planned. She didn't plan it out ahead of time, so she ran into a problem. And now she attempted to file her own offer in compromise, and the IRS rejected it. When you don't plan these things out, you get into trouble, and when you try to find a solution, you get yourself into worse trouble. Had she contacted a professional to help her out of this mess, we could have done the offer and compromise differently. You have to know how to present the numbers on the 433A, which is the financial form. So just because you rejected once doesn't necessarily mean if we did a refile we could get it through. So again, if you have a problem, don't really try to handle it yourself. If you're going to do something with your assets, plan it out ahead of time. You can save yourself a lot of trouble. If you have a problem with the IRS and you would like to speak to me, I can be reached at 718-841-7317, or you can visit my website at www.tristatetaxresolution.com.